All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been day trading about 3 years now. Still on the struggle, man. Still working some things out, but I think I'm on my way. Anyway, I'm streaming my journal. I'm streaming my journey live on YouTube, man. Streaming every market open. So if you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. And let's get to it, man. We're live. It's Friday, August 9th. And man, who know? I don't know what the market's gonna do, man. Yesterday was wild. The day before yesterday was all week's been wild. Um, but I look at the weekly, man. We gapped down to start, but it's been all as far as the end of the week is looking pretty solid. So I don't know. We'll see how today finishes and how this candle closes up. I mean, of course, it could easily sell off today, and this will be could be a much worse looking candle. So we'll see. I'm kind of thinking there's 449, 450 areas. Hey, what's up, Wave Rider? Been in the house. What's going on, y'all? I don't know. It's what's up, Artem? It almost seems silly trying to predict which way it's gonna go. You just gotta be ready, just be ready for whatever. From the East Coast, 3 Pony. What's good? Man. Yeah, y'all don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way in. So it's been an okay week. Nah, it's been a bad week. It's been a bad week. I had a really bad max loss day that really set me back. But yesterday was a good day, and it's just like a test. How long can you stay mentally solid? How long can I stay inside of this zone where I'm not breaking rules? It's a very thin line surrounding the zone. It's so easy to step out of it. But so signature, what's going on? I've been really missing a little bit. I've been missing the hunt for sure, man. I've been missing chasing the gappers and the catalysts, the morning gappers. What's up, signature? I do miss the hunt, man. I ain't gonna lie. But it's just too much for me right now. So I'm cool. I'm cool with just doing the Qs until I can develop some sort of discipline, and then at that point maybe at that point maybe I can look at catalyst runners, maybe 1 or 2, start out like that. But it's just amplifying opportunity, but you're also amplifying your risk. So definitely have to be a lot more disciplined to engage in something like that, and I have yet to prove that. Yeah, for sure. Wave Rider, what you got going on this morning, signature? Man, I miss our morning gapper talk too, signature, since I didn't stepped out of the hunt, man. That was cool going over our faves every morning, getting right. I'll be back one day. All right, my bad, my bad. Where am I? Earnings, baby. Yeah. Gil TTD TTWO. All right. Yeah, man. I like earnings too. But I just gotta keep it simple for now. So it's all good. Hmm. Here we go. What's it gonna be? $1.20, $1.30 candle, $1.35 candle. That's not so bad. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. What's it gonna be? Can it hold 447? Wow. Looking kind of whippy to start things out. Let's see. We can't look away yet. This is the moment. Hmm. Hmm. What you thinking, Artem? Which way we going, man? I say we looking pretty bullish at the moment. Kind of feel like 449 is gonna be the actual line in the sand, though. But we'll see, man. Make a new high. I'm in there for sure. For sure. This would be a crazy 5 minute candle for it to open in, come down and break the low, and then break the high too. That would be wild. Yep, just like that. That's a wild candle. It looks pretty chill on the one though, and the two. Really want to see what this thing does at 449. That's gonna be like, that was yesterday's high was 448.99, and the day before was 499 on the penny. So very interested to see what happens there. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Trading right around yesterday's close. Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, hey, we broke out top side of that opening range, so I'm long, man. I'm long. Uh, I think 449 is the big level. So if we can take and hold over 449, Well, I guess we'll see what 450 is talking about too. But 449 has been a big deal the last 2 days. But I don't know. Look like I'm about to get stopped out already. I really need my stop below low a day, man. That's gonna be a little more risk than I want, but it don't really make sense to stop out before low a day yet. Hey, Muhammad Nadeem. We might be short today, man. Man, this thing is chopping. Yeah, it's still for sure either way. I I'm leaning slightly to, man, we made this lower low right here. Yeah, it made a lower low, then it made a higher high. I don't know, man. Now it's looking mad sketchy though. It's looking mad sketchy. Yeah, she looking a little bullish. Come on, 447. Hold the line. Like some hard selling pushes coming through. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's gonna pay a little more than I initially wanted to find out. That 10 a.m. pump. What's going on? SSTLA. Yeah, we about to get stopped. No way. No way. Hmm. Dang. What's it gonna be, bro? Is it gonna be the most epic tiptoe of my stop, or are we going long the SQs? Cause that thing tiptoed. Nah, it look like it's about to break down. It's about to break down. Yup. Uh, man, straight up. JE Tech, JETC. What's going on, man? Yeah, it's definitely look like it's gonna head down and test that maybe what pre-market lows. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, that looked real bad. That looks real bad. Man, I hope this ain't no Chop City day, man. Just get chopped back and forth. That 15 looking pretty upside on the SQs. So we shall see. We in a good spot though. We in a good spot. Man, which way will she go? I say we looking pretty bullish right now on the SQs. Yeah. Think we make another lower day, man. We be rolling on the SQs. Break down through 446. We'll be cooking. Mm-hmm. Dang, man. Sometimes it seems like it takes so long just to move. Jeez. Hmm. What y'all think, man? We going up or down? Mark it up, mark it down. I mean, you got to be leaning to the downside at this point, just as much time as it's spending on the downside of VWAP. But I don't know, man. Let's see. What y'all trading today? Signature, GILD, ugh, TTD. Hey, TTD look pretty good. Hmm. Guess that was TTD. Ah, yeah, that mug looks like it's about to go up. Hmm. Maybe not. What's up, Michael? Yeah, you think we're lower? I think so too, man. I think so too. There's 447. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Option spread. I ain't hip to options, Maxie. I don't that's a whole nother world for me. I don't even know how to look at the options. But what are you seeing? What are you seeing? What are you seeing that it looks bearish to you? It's pretty nasty move back down. Yeah, that's a nice little slap right there. $10 a.m. pump. I hope it's in my direction. We'll see. I guess I'm looking for a 10 a.m. sell-off at this point. I've never noticed anything significant happening at 10 a.m. I'm ready to see that thing through 445. The price I paid is all wrong? For what? The SQs? Nah, I'm only risking $10 a trade, man. I don't need parabolic. Well, I guess we risking $15 a trade today. But nah, watch me work. Bismillah. Or you talking about on TTD? Oh, I got you. My bad. I was like, dang, I thought I paid a pretty good price, man. I'm right here, you know. It's right here where it opened. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll see though, man, bro. This market been crazy, bro. It'll whip and go the other way and start making new highs. So I have zero confidence in market direction right now. It's just like the daily, the last few days, like what do you even make of it? Go either way. We gonna find out though. So SSTLA, you trade indexes? What do you trade, man? And how long have you been trading? Maxie, I see you trade options. Michael's a scalper. JETC still in here? Trade hope. That's hilarious. Yeah, I think we all trade a little bit of hope. Options for about a year. JETC options too. Yeah, I totally get the options, man. It seems pretty wild the amount of the percentage gain you can make on options is wild. Dang, man, I'm about to get stopped again. Yeah, you about to see. This is a nasty volume candle right here. I'll flip this thing one more time and then that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Dang, what's happening? Yeah, that's legitimate. That's legitimate. That 449, because that's what I was looking at this morning. That 449 was the real level. So yeah, that sounds pretty solid. Just hold out for 449. Tilo said, "What got you guys into options?" Those who traded. Shoot, probably that $2 contracts that you could turn into 300% gains. uh, hmm. Low barrier to entry. Got tired of penny. Yeah, I came in on the penny stock tip too, man, and I just like, it was just like trading garbage. Felt like penny stocks was straight garbage. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Shoot, I'm poor too, bro. I'm over here trying to reach the dream. Batting for the fences over here. Dang, bro, this rug is really gonna go back up. I guess I should have risked down the low of day, but just seemed pointless. Yep, here she comes. Yeah. I want to flip, but this is a critical moment for this trade. About to get stopped like a mug. All right, let me check out NVIDIA. Oh, you're long NVIDIA? Hmm. 550. Hmm. It's looking sketchy to me, bro, but but you just scalping, huh? So if you got in at the bottom of this candle, then yeah, you should be straight. But I'd be looking to hold, for the next hour, and it's looking scary on that regard. All right. Yeah, she's looking up for sure. Okay. Dang, that looks good. You got it, bro. Nah, that don't look sketchy. Did you close it though? Sheesh. Hey. Oh yeah. My man. Count that up, bro. Love to hear that, man. You killing the game out here, Artem. You killing the game, bro. All right, man. We long the queues over 449. Hmm. Stop under 447. Bro, you are in grave danger, Artem. You are in grave danger. Bro, every time I go on a big streak, man, it's something it does to the mindset, man. You gotta figure it out, bro. You gotta journal. Bro, you are in grave danger. That's hilarious. Oh, that's funny, man. Be careful out here, bro. Maybe you survived. Maybe that 1K loss the other day, maybe that was, I don't know, that might have been the first sign. uh, yeah. Oh man. Excuse me. All right. Now let's see what's popping. Man, if we could respect 449 and just never touch below it, that would be really sweet. Then you can make some decisions. This thing already done cracked below 449. Nah, what happened with that? Why did I? Nah, you know what happened? Uh, huh. What did happen here? I think when I initially got in my first position, I didn't intend to risk all the way to low of day. And then once I got in, I was like, dang, it really doesn't make sense to not risk to low of day. So I risked to low of day, which made 15. So then it was like, okay, so now I'm at $15 risk today. So the next trade was also at 15. And here we are. All right, here we go. Add, honestly. Oh, what just happened? Oh, okay, nothing. Hmm. 48, 41. It's way too high. Definitely could have waited for some kind of sign of holding 449, but here we are. Man. Mm, what is going on? Yo, Pine Tree Trader, what's going on, man? Just getting chopped up a little bit today. A little bit. Yeah, it's really choppy. What's going on with you, man? All right, man. I don't know. I don't know. See what happens down here in VWAP, man. See what happens. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to become better in dealing with these kind of days, because these are the days where I'll keep I'll keep trying and just get chopped up, man. So like the trend days are super easy for me. I kill those most of the time. But these choppy days, man, I gotta work on, taking a couple swings and being okay and realizing that this isn't my environment, don't have an edge in this type of action today, and let me just, come back tomorrow. Uh this up here, this this is something I coded. This is just something that I like to add to my positions a lot, and I like to see what it does to my average before I add, to kind of, decide how many shares I want to add. I think I'm gonna draw a line in the sand and add right here though. I'll wait for that 5 candle. I do. But yeah, and it's quite a bit of math to figure out your average position. I mean, you got to multiply the shares times the price of your first position, and then the shares times your price of the second position, and then add those two numbers and then divide it by the total shares. And so yeah, I just coded a little script to calculate my average. It just asks me four questions: how many shares do I have, what price, and then how many shares I want to add. Say I want to add 3 over 449.52, and it tells me what my new average is and where to put my stop for $10 risk. And so I can look and say, well, I don't really like my stop right there. That's not a good place to put my stop. So I can't, that ad doesn't make sense, you know? Man, Pine Tree Trader, that book is like in the middle of trading, changing my life right now. I've really been focusing on trying to be a better loser, man, because I suck. Like my bad days are bad, and I gotta fix that. You know, if I can just take a trade or two, and all right, it's not, this ain't my day, then just roll out. Come back tomorrow without a super huge hole to dig out of. You know, I'd be much better off. Yeah, but it's just a little cool script I wrote in Python. Nothing too complicated. Just one function collects four variables and then creates new variables with the total cost and total shares. And then I put my risk in there so I can calculate my stop. And this is just the, the printout interface. Yeah, pretty cool little app. I want to do one for my share size, a share size calculator. So, and just have it pre-programmed with my risk, and I just type in how big I want my stop to be, and it just tells me how many shares to buy. That's what I'm usually doing on my calculator over here to my left, is calculating my share size. I think that'd be pretty cool to have a little program to do that for me too. Come on, close up at the top. Yeah. 40, 30. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking if I could somehow integrate with my platform's API, I could pull my position data into the code, and it wouldn't even have to ask me what my share side, my current position is. That would be cool for it to just have that calculated already, or have that input already. Dang. Probably needed this at low of day. This was kind of a poor entry though. Just bought it. Just had an order sitting there. Um, Usually like to wait for. Well, I guess I've kind of become a breakout trader, but I more so prefer the retest. And that did not hold over 449 at all. Hmm. There you go, Ben. Well, I don't know if I mean, yeah. If I was gonna take that trade, my stop should have been low of day. with the, really light on the risk. And then I could have added on confirmation and raised my stop, maybe under VWAP or something. But yeah, it got slapped at 449. Some bacon. uh, hmm. Yeah, I've noticed that. I've noticed that as well. I've actually taken a lot of those trades back over VWAP, like on the SQs. I was just looking at that, like, man, that would have been a nice entry over that inside bar. Yeah, SQs is definitely looking saucy now for sure. um, yeah, I'm just trying to be really patient. I'm gonna take one more, but it's got to be the one um, where at least I just won't have any regrets on it. I got it. Dang, that's turning into a real big candle right there. The Q's could still go up though. Turkey bacon, bro. All I eat is beef bacon, man. I hate turkey bacon. Beef bacon is the business, man. Sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on that puppy. uh, beef bacon is the business. Turkey bacon's horrible. All right, we got a higher high and a higher low on the Qs. I don't know what to expect, but we're below VWAP. Nah, I haven't tried any props. Man, beef bacon is it, bro. My next entry is gonna be on the 15 for sure. T Low, my man, appreciate you, bro. Yeah, Artem, let me check you out. Man, shout out T Lo for the super chat, man. I appreciate you, bro. Um, man, them SQs is looking good. Yeah, it's tough today, bro. Trey, I got chopped up, man. Chopped up. Now I'm just trying to be patient. Oh yeah, I don't touch pork, man. Haram. Don't do no swine, man. Man, Nvidia don't even look like it's done anything. You over there caking. That's what's up. I mean, I guess it has made some pretty big swings though. 103 to 106. Yeah, $3, man. You can make some money in that range for sure. Caught a little bounce on MGOL. MGOL. Dang. Yeah, this would have been a nice little bounce to be a part of, especially if you could get out up here somewhere, man. All right, back to the Qs. Yeah, it's I might should have just had my stop at the lower day on this last trade on the Qs, man. I was just a little too as choppy as the day is. I definitely should have done that. But this is a nasty retracement though. This is a really nasty. If this goes back up and makes a new high from this nasty retracement, I'll be I guess I should I won't be that surprised. It's been pretty crazy. I swear to you. Oh yeah. Nice Trey. All right, bro. I see you over there, man. Getting to the money. It's Friday. It's payday, man. I see you, bro. That's what's up, man. I'm trying to show y'all a magic trick. I don't know if I'm gonna be able. Yeah. Hmm. What would you say would be the the positives about the future props. Like, why should somebody go to trade the future props? I really don't know that much about them, honestly. Yeah, I think so. I think Webull has futures now. I'm about to hop on this 5 minute candle on the Qs, bro. Bet five. Yeah, it's looking bullish right now, bro. We on the same page right now, bro. We on the same page. I'm looking at this 15 minute right here. It's worth my last swing, I would say. I wish it was up higher though. Yeah, trade other people's money, you know. Why not? All right, maybe not on the Qs. Yeah, I don't know, man. The SQs look like it's the way. 446.40. Man, I don't know what to make. Man, I don't know what to make. Hmm. What you mean? Like after you don't have you only have that one setup, so after your one trade bin, that's pretty much the day's a wrap. I ain't doing that. Hmm. I got you. Morning, Brandon. Hmm. How'd it go today, Brandon? Scalping sounds so fun, but I just I can't get around the idea that the downside has to be bigger than the upside. Bro, I really want to get this right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm too impatient for that, Olu. What's going on, bro? Yeah. Okay, that's what's up. Yeah. I'm hella bullish now on the overall market. I just wanted in on this 15-minute higher low and this break overview app right here. If it fails, it just fails. Mm. Or you got a good broker because you could do tiny trades with CMEG and still get toe up. Huh. Yeah, that was a bit of a gun jumper. Let's we about to see though. Really? Huh. That's what's up. Yeah, my commissions are really good. I don't really have to worry about them. When I start moving over 1,000 shares, that's why for me the Qs are more ideal than the TQs. Cause like a lot of people are like, hey man, why don't you trade the TQs because they're cheaper? But I don't really have a buying power issue. I don't have one at all. So the price of what I'm trading doesn't really matter to me. But if I trade the TQs, I have to get more shares because you know the range on the TQs is like what 50 cent or something like that. And the more shares I get, the more commissions I have to pay. So I can make cheaper money trading the Qs with less shares than trading the TQs with more shares. All right, y'all. This might be our moment. This might be our moment. I think I could have had it if I did not. This should have been lower day stop on this entry. And then I could have added, you know, at some point and raised my stop should there have been a place to raise it. But yeah, so that's my bad. That's my bad. Yeah, bro. I've literally had green days trading on CMEG and then go back to my prop reports the next day and realize I was red after commissions. It's like $4 a trade each way. So round trip is like $8. It don't matter if you do 5 shares or 500 shares, you're paying $4 to buy and to sell. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I don't mess with CMEG, nor do I recommend them. Oh, really? They had when I was there, they had two options. It was if you traded over 1,000 share lots, then they had the per yeah, that is per execution. They have per share prices over 1,000 shares, and then under 1,000 shares, they have the per trade or per execution, which is yeah, 399, 349 or something like that. Oh wow. That's cold blooded. Yeah, that's highway robbery, man. They really charging people an arm and a leg to get them around that PDT. That's wild. Man, I feel very privileged to be in a position at 448.13. We get over 450. 12 trades and six. Oh my God. Dang. That was disgusting. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. I'm so mad I stopped out on that second trade. Not risking to lower day like I'm supposed to. On a choppy day like today, too. There you go. 449.15. Let's go. Need more shares, though. Yeah, you right, Trey, man. You right, bro. Just be getting chopped up, man. Huh. What's up, Nicholas? Bro, I've never heard of Gamma. um, hmm. GEX, gamma exposure. Huh. I'm interested though, bro. If you don't mind explaining a little bit about gamma, man, that'd be cool. Um, yo, Ben. I get that. Of course, I mean, you want to buy the. I'd like to buy at the low of day, but to me, that's also um the most dangerous place to buy. So that's why I like buying the higher low. But lately, I have been buying the breakout, and hmm, yeah, I mean, do you really need that much room to figure out that it's gonna fail? I get that, but for this situation, for sure, I think clearly low of day was the place to put the stop. Um, yeah, I mean, 449 has been a key level for these last 2 days, so that's why I was looking at that. Hmm. Huh. That's interesting. Hmm. Thanks for sharing that, Nicholas. It's another kind of another behind the scenes system that has influence on the market, huh? How long you been trading, bro? Yeah, actually today, probably the first day this week, I hadn't been going back and forth on both. But I noticed like last week the Qs were more bullish than the SPY. But this week, the last few days, the SPY's been more bullish than the Qs. Like I noticed when the SPY makes a higher high, the Qs ain't quite made a higher high. Um, but now, last week, I mean, yeah, last week it seemed like the Qs would be making higher highs and the SPY would kind of be lagging behind a little bit. But yeah, I definitely like seeing the SPY make wow, the 15 on the SPY is gorgeous. It's like what I really wanted the 15 on the Qs to look like. you know. uh, but close enough, I guess. 32 till we get a reason. Yeah, I got the SPY up on my other screen now. Which is Friday, right? Friday is the day that 0 day to expiry. Hmm. Oh, that's not too bad though. The wicks, that's not too bad. That's just a little pullback. When the wick is as big as the body, that's when it gets a little scary. Nah, this looks pretty decent still. Delta hedging, delta neutral market makers. I read what was that book? Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. It kind of gives a good window into some of the behind the scenes things that moves the market. It mostly talks about manipulation though. Manipulators. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. You said Meta? Let me check you out. Oh yeah. That looks really nice on Meta. Look at that. Meta been above yesterday's high. That's what's up. Yeah, Meta look like it's about to go. We might be in a good spot, y'all. Mm-hmm. Ben is our community statistician. So he got some questions for you, Nicholas, on that gamma info. Oh we, I like that. Nothing like a high day that of a trade you're in. Ah yes, new high of day. Hey, you guys, hit that like button for me, man. We got 26 people in here, man. Hit that like for me, y'all. I do appreciate it. It is the reason why all you other people are in here from, people hitting the like and YouTube seeing people enjoying what we got going on over here, man. And that's how we're growing the community. So please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. Well, well, I when I got in my first trade, Brandon, I intended to risk 10, but then I wanted my stop a little lower than it was when I first got in, so I was like, all right, I'll give it that extra 5. And then once I stopped out, I wanted to maintain the same risk level for the rest of my trades. So today I've been doing 15. Man, we made a nice move up over 449. These 5-minute candles are still kind of crazy. Nah, 2R. I moved my stop to break even at 2R. I give it I give it 2R from my entry to wiggle around and go my way. And once I get to 2R, then I go to break even. And once I get to 3R, now I'm moving my stop into profit, trying to capture what is there and still, leave it enough room to go and do great things. All right, man. We trying to dig this thing out the mud. We got three red trades. But my last one, honestly, if I would have just put my stop under lower day, would have been good. Um, should have still been in that last trade, but yeah, we gave it one more. You win anything yet, HH? That's what's up. All right, now that top tail's looking kind of nasty on the 15. Still got 5 minutes though. This thing better not come all the way back in though. That's all I'm saying. Ain't nobody got time for that. Day trading for 3 years. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Well, I appreciate you stopping by, man, and sharing your input, bro. Appreciate that a lot, man. Learn something new every day. Yo, price is lingering. Q's under 448 for an entry. Shoot, let this mug come down here and throw me something. Boy, I'm adding like a mug. Hey man, we all just people on the internet, bro. It's all good, man. There's so much to learn in this market, man. There's so many different ways to trade, so many different strategies, man. I like learning all of it. It might not become my thing, but you know, I appreciate you coming and sharing it, bro. Real talk. I had to look into that, man, just to increase my knowledge as a trader. So next time somebody come talking about gamma, I don't have to be like, "What is that?" you know, have an intelligible conversation. So yeah, man, appreciate you. All right, what's it gonna be? Gamma exposure. All right, I got you. GEX. GEX. Good looking out, my guy. You as well, man. You as well. All right, here we go. 449.21. 447.45. That'll keep my stop still under VWAP. Hmm. uh, said woke up looking for the broccoli. uh, hmm. All right. Now I feel like I got some nice shares. 50. Still got a decent stop. What's up, Jack Burton? Brandon said, "Don't get me started, bro." That's hilarious. What is that? I must be getting old, bro. Ah, man. What happened, Jack? What were you trading today? Oh, for real? Dang. Yeah, I don't even think I've. Yeah, I ain't even gonna say that. uh, I don't think I even seen the video, man. I just seen a bunch of clips from people talking about the video. Come on, bro. What's happening? Ah, sheesh. Wow, that was Chop City yesterday. Man, you might not get that 448, bro. Or you might. You might. I'm gonna be feeling silly if you do. Yeah. Now you got me looking at these top tails right here on the 15. They are looking kind of nasty right now. Especially that last one. Not really on that much volume though. Mm, maybe for this time of day. Bah humbug. Over 449 or not? What's the deal? It's time. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. You sweating and you ain't even in yet. I ain't sweating, but I'm a little anxious for sure. Maybe like, yeah, that's a little too much. I ain't quite there yet, but I should be as down as I am on the day. Yeah, I'll be happy just to make a couple R's on this. What happened to the 10 pump, bro? Or did we get it? What time? Okay, here's the damn, bro. Look at that. Look at this 10 o'clock pump. That's crazy. Damn, this candle opened at 10 o'clock at 4:46:26, and by 10:10 it was headed up to 4:49:52. Hmm. Interesting. That's pretty good pump right there though. Interesting. Got my eyes open now, bro. See, now I'm like, what's gonna happen in 12? Huh. Nah, this is a much better pullback though on the SPY for sure. This is a much better pullback. Them first two red candles on the 5, that wasn't really solid enough. Should have been more patient on my ad too, but still would have probably added in the same area. Maybe like 10 cent lower. All right, man. Let's go. It's time. It's time. Let's do that work. Let's go. Yeah, I think that 10 a.m. pump was got me kicked out of that's what got me kicked out of the SQs. That damn pump. All they do it. Uh-oh. Oh, really? Now you short? Nah, forget all that, man. It's time to go. It's time to go to that 450 and beyond. Yeah, that 15 shaping up real nice now. Shaping up real nice. Mm-hmm. Ah, yeah. Shoot. Mess around and add up some more and put that stop right up under this 15. But my average is high enough. Oh, okay. Yeah, if it breaks down, I'm crushed for the day, and be back tomorrow. Well, Monday. We'll see, man. You know, I think all deep down inside, we're all hoping to be a part of that parabolic move, whichever direction. At this point, it got to go up though, because if it stops me out, I am done for the day for sure. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Oh wait, nah, I'm gonna be man. I got a bathroom I just started doing that I'm gonna be working on tomorrow morning. So I don't think tomorrow's gonna work. Actually, hmm, yeah, nah. I gotta get there early for sure. So I can get done early and any fights this weekend? I'm a huge boxing fan, you guys. Watch a lot of boxing. Let's see. Ortiz Jr. versus Boachuk. I guess that's cool. Saturday. It's pretty late Saturday though. Just NFL season about to start, ain't it? Did the season start? Dang, what's up? Yeah, I watch UFC too. Watch UFC too. I watch boxing more than UFC, but I really enjoy UFC. Yeah, I see, man. I'm getting scared now. That's why I should have waited for the ad. But now it just looks like it's about to crash out, honestly. After this top tail on the 15, looking kind of nasty. Is UFC? Is there a UFC card? UFC fights every weekend, bro. UFC, bro, they don't play. UFC 305, Tybura versus Spivak 2. Them heavyweights. Danny Barlow, Nicolay. Huh. Yeah, I don't see anybody I really know on this card this weekend. Uh, I don't even know the main event, guys. Huh. Yeah, this is where I should have added right here. Let's see what's coming up. Ooh, Adesanya fights again against Duplessis on the 17th. Oh snap! UFC is doing a Riyadh season card, bruh. Them Saudis are taking over everything in the sphere. That's how they pulling it off, huh? Yo, O'Malley. Oh man, I don't know anybody else on the card though, but I definitely watch for O'Malley. Dang. Okay. Okay. 446 is protection. Man, I can't. I ain't got. Stop ain't that low. Yeah, we'll see, man. I got my line in the sand just under 447 right now, so we'll see. I wish I would have saved my ad for down here though. I wasn't expecting it to do all of this. Yeah, the 5 is kind of garbage on a day like today. It's like a 15 day. 5 is mad choppy. Yeah, this would have been a much better place to add. Oh yeah, it could definitely happen, but that's just as far down as I can risk from adding. I have my stop underneath 446. Now, I mean basically I'm in now, like it's going up right now. That's my idea. So if it has to make another lower low before going up, then I'm out. Tis what it is. But I think it's looking pretty good right now. I think it's looking all right. do 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 do. Yeah. It's been tested quite a bit though, man. If it holds, man, and tries again, I think we got it. Cause I mean, I don't know. I don't know. We gotta hold that 448, man. It was looking so promising. What happened? Yeah, including me. Man. Yeah, bro, no problem, man. I got a Discord too, man. If you wanna, you can post stuff in there if you want. Link is in the description, but I think the link is expired in the description. Even though I swear I put the link to never expire, but whatever. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I gotta edit the link that I have saved in OBS. They don't let you edit the information or anything. Once you start it, it's there forever. Cool, man. Appreciate you, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Uh, well, look like we was all wrong today, man. All wrong today. That's funny. Man. 10:43. 448.54. All right, it's 15-minute candle about to close. And I don't know, it could take another 10 minutes to break to either side. Hmm. Okay, here we go. um, this looks pretty good. I ain't gonna hold you. Wow. Yeah, they're just like instruments of manipulation, in my opinion. The small caps. That's probably why he was mentioning it all morning, so that to give it that attention, so enough people could buy it, and he can make 10 cents on it. He's holding it up, probably holding it up himself with his purchases at 25 cents, and got enough people excited about it to move it up 10 cents. I mean, I'm not trying to. I don't want to. I don't even know who you're talking about to speak on their intentions or anything, but that's just kind of my impression of the small cap world. Just a lot of pumping and dumping, strategic pumping and dumping. Yeah, exactly. uh, Just think, man, once you get to the point where you have like a huge following on Twitter or something, bruh, you could pump anything. Just tweet about something for 12 hours and, you know, the next day it's yours. Like, look what Elon was doing to Dogecoin back to what, a couple years ago. Just a tweet, and that thing go flying. Like, bruh. Elon was like running the market like a couple years ago, man. It was crazy. Now he's playing with the political market. Back to the day job. Yep. Did he mention it? My Cheetos affected by the green screen. Oh man, really, Jack? I'm right behind you, bro. I'm just I'm just waiting for this last chop to get me. Yeah, I do. I'm a carpenter. I go remodel bathrooms after I leave here. Yeah, I'm not making any money right now. My account is a roller coaster that requires deposits every few weeks. Oh, yeah, that's right. I remember that. It was huge hype about it, and everybody was holding their all the rookies were holding their breath. All right, Jack, take it easy, bro. All the rookies like me were holding their breath for the hugest pump, right? Everybody sold the news and it just dropped. Crazy. Forgot about that. I got you. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much based on yesterday. You know, I don't know, man. I love this right here on the 15th, but let's it's at a good spot. It's at a good spot for the long, but it's also in a downtrend. So this is the first higher low. So this is like the first sign of the uptrend, and You know, of course, this would be the sweetest entry, but you know, it could just go up to VWAP and bounce back and continue its downtrend. So, I mean, for me, I would want to see it probably above this candle, 105.68, before I really, you know, got serious about it. But I mean, even 105 maybe. But I think if you're a sniper though and you used to buying these dips, I mean, this is prime area for sure. Bouncing off 104. Yeah. It's in a nice spot, you know, but it's below yesterday's high. So yeah, I'd really love to see it over 105.50-ish, 105.60. But yeah, man, I wouldn't be mad if you wanted to. I don't know, bro. It's all risky, man. I see what you see though. I see what you see. Um, hmm. Yeah, I would just be worried this is just gonna, you know, keep going down. And what's the market doing? The market's kind of, I don't know, man. Yeah, that really looks bearish to me, bro. Until you get back over this candle, I'd probably be bearish. Yeah. But I mean, it's at that line though, so you know you could watch it and see if it wants to retake a couple of these pivot points. You know, especially 105. You know, once it gets back over 105, you could start looking. But yeah, once it cracks this low right here, might be a good short. Might be a good short, man. Um, yeah, below 104. Yeah. Yeah, as soon as I flip to that 30-minute, I'm like, yeah, that's a short. This looks very bearish. Is that right? uh, man, yeah, I mean, if you play these pivots, bro. uh, Artem over there budgeting next month. He said we good this month. Next month we gonna put some money over here. Get to that bag, boy. I love it, man. I love it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it out today, y'all. It is looking pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. We all got some rents that need paid. Yeah, this thing is finito. This was the move right here. Golly. Dang, I'm gonna miss the short today, man. I'm gonna miss it. Damn, damn. Part of me wants to slide my stop under here, but it's another 50 cent on 10 shares. That's another $5. 4 times. Man. Man, my man, bro. That's what's up. Dang. Dang, bro. Congrats, bro. I love to see that, man. See, that stuff like that keeps the dream alive, man. Keeps the dream alive. Yeah, this thing done, yo. Should have just got out at this pivot low right here instead of holding this far in. Yeah. It's really hard to go to work after cashing out like that. Dang, man. Well, look like I had another one of them days, man, just getting chopped up. What could I have done better? This first 15-minute candle was a big tail, I guess. And I thought this entry was pretty darn nice. Made a higher high. Have yet to make a well, got that. That's kind of problematic. Definitely got to stop adding up here like that. I don't know. This morning I came in feeling like, maybe I will let go of the ads. Maybe that thing will hold 447. Don't play directional if your average is flat. Don't play directional if your average is flat. Can you expound on that? Oh, you saying my VWAP if VWAP is flat. I got you. I got you. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Huh. That's been kind of where I'm at right now too, is the type of day, is it a trend day or a range day? And I do great on trend days. I'm still trying to figure out these range days, man. I get slapped up on these range days. Well, Ben, you see how this it's not going anywhere. Like it's just making it's kind of just bouncing in between this range right here, right? So on this type of day, you would just buy when it gets close to the bottom and sell when it gets close to the top instead of trying to catch a break upside or downside on a trend, because it's not breaking either way. It's just bouncing back and forth in a range. So like I've been buying the top of the range wanting it to go up, but it just keeps getting knocked back into the range and stopping me out. And yeah, I didn't even really think about how VWAP was so flat. But yeah, clearly it's not going anywhere. Thanks for that. What what I call you, bro? Jay? I just call you Jay. But very good insight, man. Yeah, exactly. Just catching smaller moves, just kind of, padding the account a little bit. I'm always want the home run. It's so hard for me to just take like little nibbles, but Jet C. That makes sense. Jet C. Okay. Yeah, it's hard for me to take nibbles because like if I bought down here and I sold up here, I'm like, what if it keeps going though? Like, and then I sold, I would be so upset. But yeah, so that's what keeps me from doing that because uh I'm more optimistic, I'm more hopeful for the move up, for the continuation up than I am fearful of a move back into the range. So it's very hard for me to sell at the top of the range. Thanks, Bert. Yeah, I love it too, man. I'm really enjoying what we got going on here, you guys. It's really cool. Uh it's even more fun when there's green on this little window right here. Doesn't seem like it's in the cards today. I got a little bit of hope lingering right here. What is the low here? 447.19. My stop's at 446.97. So yeah, hope is getting smaller. Up, up. Uh, I'm gonna give it like 4 more cents. Come on, baby, hold 447. You can do it. Dun, 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 dun. uh, correct. I guess I can tell the range if the retracement, when you get these 100% retracements or like 80, 90% retracements, like this move up and then this move back down, like, hmm, I got to figure this out, man. It's almost like, it's almost, I should be a range trader and maybe leave partials in case it does start to trend, and then maybe I can add in because the hmm, breakdown 447. Man, go on somewhere, HH. Here you go. I'm over here wishing and praying. All right. So we back again, huh? That clap up you took yesterday wasn't good enough. All right, come on with it. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right, I got you, Artem. I definitely will, bro. I see you out here, man. I see you, bro. I like what you're doing, man. Um, yeah, I guess me and HH are battling again. I don't know that I it's not really a battle though, because I don't really have like yesterday I just was for sure it was going long. Now I'm just in a losing position hoping. So I don't really have a argument. for you today, HH. Um, yeah, it looks like the breakdown of 447 is imminent, but we'll see. It could definitely pop right back over VWAP right here, and give me that move. It's not likely though. Got 2 new pop-ups in the Discord. What's up? What's up? Um, yeah. What you think? All right. Looks like it's over, folks. Green 50, 30, 46. Okay. Okay. Let's see. See what happens. Oh, yeah. This mug is toast. Toast. Whew. That was quick. All right. I hope you I hope you do very well on your SOXS trade there, HH. Dang, man. Got murdered today. No imaginary stop. Who does that? uh, yeah, that's my favorite kind of trade, bro. Somebody told me it was expired, man. Here's a yeah, they have a link that they give out that's 7 days, and then they have one that never expires. And I thought I changed it already, but here's a working link right here, man. That should get you in. Let's see, let's see, let's see. What time is it? 11:12. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, no problem, bro. Appreciate you wanting to join up, man. Come hang out with us. Man. Yeah, I can't even imagine a good way for me to have traded today. I can't it's just maybe this bounce down here, but how do you even get in that thing? I guess on this 5. Yeah, you can probably make 2R on these little bounces. Sheesh. Yeah, I got to spend some time studying these range days, man, and see if I can find some way in for myself to survive these days. Cause hmm, 3 stops. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, just really going back to just being a confirmation trader would have helped a bit. Really wasn't a good entry at the open. Maybe I could have looked for something around here, but it never triggered, and then it comes up here. Maybe I could have taken that, but really this isn't a good pullback on a 5-minute move up. So then maybe you're looking over in here. Maybe I would have got triggered there or here. Yeah, it just wasn't no way for me to win on that today. I can't see it. And yeah, so I probably shouldn't have taken the 4th trade. That 3rd one. I think the 3rd, yeah, we had this discussion the other day, or I had it with myself, of feeling that this one trade could be the one that brings the whole day back, is what keeps things going and keeps the hole getting dug. So we got to lose that mentality. But we're working on it. Unfortunately, another drop into the bucket of tuition today. A little more tuition than a lot more tuition than I would like to pay for lessons in the market, but lessons were learned just the same. Um, yeah, I just got to figure out these range days, man. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta, and then playing both sides, I definitely have to have a yeah, I don't know. There was no hope for me here. There was no hope. Hmm. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here though. HH. HH still in the game. That's what's up. I see you, bro. I got it over here on my left side. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for showing up and hanging out with me. Red day, unfortunately, but that's part of the game. Still working at this thing. Still struggling, fighting the good fight. Be back Monday to do it again, man. And hope to see you guys there, man. Hit that like button and subscribe. And look out for my review video. And I'll catch y'all later, man. Be safe out here in the markets and in the world. Shout out to everybody hanging out with me in the live stream. 3Pony, have a good weekend, man. HH, all y'all, man. Jetsy, Artem, Brent. We got it here. My guy T Low, always holding it down. Jack Burton, you out of here. Nicholas. All y'all, man. Y'all have a great week.